Hi! Today I'm going to talk about the difference between plant and animal cell. So, plant cell and animal cell are both eukaryotic cells, but they contain main difference in their cell wall, chloroplasts, and vacuoles. So plant cell contain vacuoles, chloroplast, cell wall. We'll begin with cell wall. This is actually made out of cellulose, which is a glucose molecules linked in chain, but it's a polysaccharide, but it's something that animals like humans, cows, we can't digest them. So that's why we say plant is a good fiber source, because we can't digest it. So it would just, if you eat any plants, it would actually come down right away. You know what I mean. So they would actually clear your gut out. So you're wondering if they actually eat plants. It's actually because in their guts they actually have 3 stomachs. And within their stomach they contain bacteria, which contain enzymes called cellulase that can break down the cellulose structure. So it's really not cow that's digesting it, but it's help from bacteria that digest cellulose for the cow in return for living inside their stomach. That's the main difference. Cell wall, its function is a rigid, strong structure that allows cell to maintain their shape and also protect the cell during osmosis, preventing any bursting, because it would maintain that shape. In animal cells, they don't have cell wall, and so they just go directly to plasma membranes. Another difference is plant contain chloroplast, but animal cell only contain mitochondria. So there are mitochondria also found in plant, but chloroplast is for photosynthesis. Plants use light as their source of energy to produce ATP and carry out photosynthesis. That photosynthesis is actually carried out within chloroplast. Whereas animal cells, we would make ATP from using carbohydrates and a sugar source, and that occurs within mitochondria as a tricarboxylic acid cycle. And the last difference, well, actually not last, but another difference is vacuoles. So in plants, they carry this storage area called vacuoles, which is an organelle. It's a mostly water filled, but they also contain like ions and nutrients that are like extra stuff. And vacuoles can contain up to 90%, I believe. They can pretty much fill in all the empty space inside the cell. So they're a really big storage structure. And some plants also carry granule, which is an extra starch storage. But in animals we don't have that. And finally, the last difference, this is really not conventional, but some cells carry centrioles in animal cell. Or actually, all animal cells do, because centriole is it's the organelle that allows us to produce microtubule spindle fibers during cell division for mitosis. So centrioles are important, and they look like sort of like this, and they come in pair because one goes to the other pole and one stays in the opposite side pole during cell division, and they produce the microspindle fibers. They attach to the chromosomes and they separate them. So that's pretty much the difference between plant cell and animal cell. If you need more like a explanation, I put detailed explanation on my blog, so you can check out there. And otherwise, have a great day.